Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today I'm going to help you get started using the Aquabot Elite. So after you've unboxed everything, you're going to need the cleaner and the power supply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to move the power supply 12 feet from the edge of the pool. We're not going to plug the power supply in yet. Next, we're going to locate the end of the floating cable. We're going to plug the end of the floating cable into the power supply. After we've done that, we're going to submerge the cleaner into the pool. So we're going to grab the handle, and we're going to slowly put the cleaner in the water. So what we're looking to do here is to remove air bubbles that would affect the buoyancy of the cleaner, which could probably affect the cleaning. So you can move it around, twist it around, just make sure you get as much as you can out. When you think you've got them all out, just release the cleaner into the pool and let it sink to the bottom. As it's sinking to the bottom, start to throw some of the floating cable in, and ideally you really want to use only what you need. So if your pool cleaner you think can reach the corners of your pool, you've got enough in there. Leave the rest out. We're going to plug the power supply in. When we plug the power supply in, the power supply will automatically turn on. When it turns on, all your lights will blink and it will be factory default to the external timer and the second program. So if you want to change the programs, all you got to do is press one of these three buttons. 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. This power supply also lets you set the frequency of cleanings. 2 days, 3 days, and 4 days, depending on how often you want your pool cleaner to clean. The external timer button will allow your cleaner to run off of literally an external timer. So if you're on vacation, or if you don't need to have your pool cleaned as often or in the middle of the night, you want to use this feature. And one of the best features about the Aquabot Elite is the dirty filter indicator. So now, instead of guessing if your filter bags are full, the power supply will tell you. So now, as you can see, the cleaner is running, it's doing its job, but at some point, the cleaning cycle is going to end. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove the cleaner from the pool. So the first step in removing the cleaner from the pool is to turn off the power supply. So just come on over here, press the on and off button. All the lights should be off. And we're going to remove the floating cable from the power supply. So now there's no power running to the cleaner. To remove the actual cleaner, we're going to gently pull on the floating cable. We're not going to tug on it because we don't want to damage the cable. So we're going to bring the cleaner to the surface, and at this point you'll see the swivel on the cleaner. So to properly do this, you're going to want to grab the cable between the cleaner and the swivel. So somewhere around here. Lift it up, grab the handle, and remove from the pool. You can let the water go back into the pool because the debris is in the filter baskets. Once that's done, completely remove the cleaner from the pool. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter baskets.